It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 16th of August. I'm Michael Groff. Another hot, humid day here in the valley with only isolated thunderstorms possible. But tomorrow, a bit of a transition day as thunderstorm activity ramps up somewhat. Then, after that, Thursday through Sunday, we enter into a very active and unsettled period with showers and thunderstorms becoming likely. The prospect of heavy rain and flash flooding will increase, and there could be a few strong or severe storms to talk about as well. All right, let's get into it here. Looking at the almanac from yesterday, 102 degrees the afternoon high, 79 was the morning low, the normal high 105, the normal low 84. And looking outside right now at 10:30 a.m., partly cloudy sky, and we are sitting at 97 degrees at Sky Harbor. Very muggy, though. Dew point at 65, humidity 35%. The winds are light, and the barometer is falling. Here's the upper air look across the country, and the weather pattern has undergone a bit of a subtle change here. Our ridge of high pressure over the southwest has weakened, and now we have two high pressure centers. One is located over the Great Basin, another one over the southern plains. We have a weak area of low pressure over northern Arizona and a much more prominent upper low that's near the Big Bend of Texas, and that will be the big weather maker coming in here later this week and this weekend. Now for today, with somewhat drier air still lingering in the mid-levels, only isolated thunderstorms will be possible in our part of the state, more widely scattered to scattered showers and storms over northern and eastern Arizona, but those will be increasing by tomorrow. As we check out the watch warning map, a number of heat advisories and excessive heat warnings over the Pacific Northwest, as well as the southern plains states. Here in Arizona, an air quality alert for Maricopa and Pinal counties for elevated ozone. And at some point, I do expect the National Weather Service to issue a flash flood watch for our part of the state. It has not happened yet, but maybe by the time you watch this, they are likely to put that in effect for probably late Wednesday night through Saturday in a nod to the expected potential of heavy rain and flash flooding that should be in here about that time. All right, the convective outlook for today, risk of severe storms up north across parts of North Dakota and Minnesota, as well as the southern plains and into sections of the deep south. In Arizona, we're in the green. Thunderstorms are possible, but it's a fairly conditional threat here in the southern part of the state and more likely over the higher terrain. All right, now let's check that precipitation outlook. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week, and rain amounts here in Phoenix around 2 inches plus. We could see anywhere from 3 to 5 inches for parts of far southern and southeast Arizona, as well as the higher terrain. And of course, your amount will vary, but an active pattern is on the way, and we'll talk about the details of that now as we explore the models. Have a look at it. This is the GFS. It is the 12Z run, and this is valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure to the north and west of us, another high over the southern plains states, and there's that upper low moving out of the Big Bend of Texas towards southern New Mexico. And so what it means for us down at the surface for the rest of the day today, mostly sunny to partly cloudy. Isolated afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms are possible here over southern Arizona. The winds aloft are still fairly light, so storm motion will be kind of slow. If you get parked under one of those storms, could result in locally heavy rain, but most of us probably won't see anything. Highs this afternoon anywhere from 101 to 105. Tonight, isolated evening showers and storms possible. Otherwise, partly cloudy, overnight lows, upper 70s to mid 80s. And then tomorrow, a bit of a transition day here. Partly cloudy with widely scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms developing. Storms becoming more scattered across the eastern part of the state, the higher terrain, and they'll make their way toward the lower desert. If they get in here is still somewhat questionable, but high temperatures tomorrow still expected to be around 101 to 105. And that might be the end of the triple digits, at least for a little while, because here we go to Thursday. And that aforementioned upper low now coming into southern Arizona and northern Mexico, and model guidance is in agreement that this feature is likely to stall out over the area, maybe for a period of 2 to 3 days. And if that does occur, yeah, with plenty of moisture around, this would just add more focused instability for better chances of showers and thunderstorms. For the day on Thursday, probably just a slight chance of a storm in the morning, but then better chances of scattered to numerous showers and storms firing up in the afternoon. And those storms, any one of them could put down some heavy rain and flash flooding, and with stronger winds aloft now coming into the atmosphere as well, and better instability profiles, there is that chance of a few strong or severe storms. It really depends on how much sun we get on Thursday. If we do manage to see a bit more, with that cooler air aloft, better chances of some strong and severe storms. That's somewhat of a conditional threat, but something that we absolutely need to keep an eye on. And so storms would be possible of some strong, perhaps damaging winds and somewhat larger hail on Thursday if this is correct. Now here comes Friday, and with that upper low sitting just to the south of us and another area of low pressure off the northern California coast, we are stuck in a very unsettled weather pattern here. And unlike previous weather patterns we've had over the last few weeks that are like this, that are similar with a lot of moisture around and we really don't have a major trigger for showers and storms, this one will feature not only this upper low to the south, but another one coming onto the California coast. We'll have stronger winds aloft, so any showers that develop will be efficient rain producers. The one thing that seems apparent is that thunderstorms will be a little less numerous, especially strong or severe storms, simply because we'll have more clouds around, so we don't expect the tall convection to keep going. Probably more of a tropical sort of efficient rain producer, warm rain process than a violent thunderstorm process. But still, a strong storm or two is absolutely not out of the question. It will not rain all day and night. These just will come in periods of time on Friday and Saturday, mostly cloudy sky, and we're going to bump that rain chance up to 70% by the time we get to Friday night and Saturday. High temperatures on Friday, still likely to be in the low to mid 90s, which is well below average. But then on Saturday, we might not even crack the 90-degree mark. That is possible. The National Blend of Models has a high of 91. Much of our guidance is keeping us in the upper 80s, so we're going to go with a range of about 87 to 92. But regardless, temperatures will be below average with significant chances of rain. Now, going to Sunday, another transition day is underway. That upper low is going to lift to the north. That's sitting to the south of us. This other one comes ashore Saturday night and Sunday. And so we will still have a chance of showers and storms around, but they'll start to decrease by the afternoon and by Sunday night. And high temperatures on Sunday still expected to be below average, somewhere in the low to mid 90s. Then as we go to Monday, we're still left in a very muggy air mass, a very wet air mass, but the flow aloft is expected to turn a bit more northerly during this time. And so somewhat drier air is going to eventually start to filter in. Nevertheless, showers and storms that fire up north of us over the mountains will still be able to drift into the lower deserts, so we'll keep at least a slight chance of storms going for Monday. High temperatures still probably not making the century mark. We're going with mid to upper 90s on Monday. Now here's a week from today. This is Tuesday the 23rd. High pressure sitting off to the west and northwest of us. More of a northerly flow once again in here, so yeah, a decrease in moisture and the number of showers and storms. Then as we look out 10 days, this is Thursday the 25th, and high pressure is still sitting over the Great Basin somewhere, maybe drifting a bit further to the north, and the flow aloft more northeasterly, but moisture levels should be down somewhat. Temperatures probably heading closer to normal once again, but still maybe falling just shy of that. Storms will not be gone from the area completely, but they will be much less numerous than they have been. Let's have a look at rainfall for Phoenix. This is going out through the 30th of August, coming off of the European ensemble, and the ensemble mean still way up there at about 2.5 inches. So active weather, and most of our ensemble guidance indicates this will be a significant rain event. I am hoping so. We really could use that rain. And temperatures off of the National Blend of Models, there it is, a high of 91 degrees on Saturday. That, for the month of August, let's keep that in mind, where we're at here in the calendar, that is sensational. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, then of course, you know, it's the obligatory like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. Music fans, check it out. It is my streaming station. It's available 24/7, 365. It is called KMGX. We play a ton of music. Have a lot of fun while doing that. It is myself and the one and only Asian sensation that rocks the nation, Michelle, that are involved in the programming and operation of that station. So do check it out. I'll leave a link to it in the description. All right. Thank you so much for watching. All of your continued support. It is greatly appreciated. You guys be safe, stay cool, stay hydrated out there, and have yourselves a beautiful Tuesday.